It's raining, you all. But I had to show you the update. Adding my grass here. You all see my azalea tree. That one was a shrub, if you remembered it. I left it there, and now I have a tree. It's my green tower there. I finally got my camellia out, but look at the tree form. So to remove the tree form, I'll show you what branches I took off. I just took these two off here. I cut this one and this one and these two. I cut those 2 weeks ago. So for me, I don't cut them all at one time. I try to do them in different weeks to help the tree. But yeah, so now it leans a little bit that way, but that's beautiful. I love it. My yucca here is doing well, but when it rains, it does this. It flops over. So I'm going to see if it can handle this rain today. Oh, y'all, did y'all notice? My Japanese maple, I moved it here. I promise you, I love it. So guess why? Because look at this color coordination. Moving up here to that rose, to that background. Oh my gosh. Japanese maple. It's just too beautiful. When the sun come out, you'll be able to see it a little bit better. But I buried it where it looks like it's moving over like that to allow you to see all of the leaves. But oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Over here, my little lovebird self, I planted some pansies in the M for Marcus. So I'll see if the bulbs and pansies stand out come next year. But you all, oh my gosh, I freaking love it. It's so beautiful. And then let me show you up close these roses, which of course is beautiful. Oh, look at this. Oh, the rain. You know what? Every time this rose, look at that pretty color. Every time this rose flower, it rains. So that is just too adorable. I planted another rose. Another rose in that place because it was there. My other rose, the potato vines are now gone. That elephant ear will eventually transition, but look at that rose. Oh my gosh. I love my Japanese maples. Now this is the time of the year when you have to just love it. Now I did move this year so it can fill up all of that area. My water line runs that way, so that's why I left that here to make sure I know where it is. My only hydrangea haven't turned all the colors quite yet, but I'm sure it will. That's my topiary blueberry. Oh, beautiful with the sedum. This is my favorites, you all. What I have is my favorites. My hydrangea. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love my garden. I am getting this cottage feel. I am definitely getting it. I like Legend little John Deere up there. But oh, this is the other update. These Japanese maples are now turning red. I got these for $10. I had 7 of them. Oh my gosh, it's another one over there. So that's going to be a beautiful tree. Beautiful tree. Then I got 1 and 2 there, and I moved the 3rd one down there. Oh, with the red, white, and blue. This is my updates, you all. I don't think I have. I have a few pansies over here for some color. Just simply amazing to come from where it has come from with nothing there. I did plant some more pansies up in here, and then my pepper tree, they still have peppers on it. That's my heart, my free rose that I split. Loving that. Oh, you all look, that mom has been holding on, but I do have some tomatoes. Hi, tomatoes. You're late in the game, but late works for me. Okay, back to my favorite part of the garden. It's time for me to plant. Am I moving too fast, y'all? It's time for me to plant those ferns in the ground, because they will come back. Oh, look at this pop of color. This little yellow. And blue. I'm loving it. And now I took my hydrangea out there. I have to move those stones here so I can just walk there. That's another Japanese maple golden embers there. Oh my gosh, look at this. The colors. And imagine that fencing over there being white. Now that's going to be a picture. Let me take. See if I can get that picture right now while I'm on here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, snap. And then I put a light inside of there that lights up at night. Okay, let's go back here. I planted 2 hydrangeas over there. One hydrangea. And let me just let you all know what my goals ultimately is. To have a Japanese maple here, Japanese maple there, and a Japanese maple there. That's a white azalea up there that is going to get a home over there by that shed with the other azaleas that I have. And that's a pretty dogwood right there that blooms white. But you see, so for all y'all that think I'm done, I thought I was done too. Last year, we had all of this greenery over there. Now, that will not be there all winter. Oh no, I wouldn't be able to live with myself. So, what that means is I've just been waiting for the snakes to disappear. Y'all see all them ferns? Let me zoom in for you. Oh my gosh. A fern patch. Amazing. All of this will be gone. It's getting blurry. Let me stop moving so fast. I'm sorry, y'all. But you will be able to see when I'm done how this creek wraps around. So just wait on it. I guess in the wintertime, that'll be the best time where we'll be able to hang out over there, Legend and I. But all of that is my land, and I want to be able to see where that creek turns. Over here, for y'all that pray, say a prayer for me that someone wants some free wood. I could have somebody come mill it up, but I don't need more wood. I have too much wood. And then all the way back there, all the way on that other side, that'll be my 3rd year back. 3, my hand's too cold. But my 3rd year back when I clean that area up. So for the most part, I just wanted to highlight this area. It was an eyesore when I moved back, but no longer. Now I just want to hang out. It's dark. I just want to hang out, y'all. I don't know if I ever showed you all. I did this summer, but the video never made it. Did not make it, but who knows next year what I have going on. Oh, I love that this is rebounded. My godson cut off the top. And look at it. It grew back. He cut the wrong plant. I'm going to eventually shape all of those back up like I've been trying to do. But, oh my gosh. This area, maybe next year. So, it's non-stop. It's never ending around here. I have this area and then that area over there. And then I have to plant a row of tall emerald greens, whatever you call them things. Yeah, I'm going to plant a row over here. So next year, I'll be able to water everything on the pool side and everything over here. Wow. The rest of the things, Marcus needs to move these. I'm tired. Tired. Maybe Legend to actually have a playground next year. And what else I build with this wood, y'all just stay tuned because y'all are in for a treat. See you in my next one. Bye-bye.